Let's start. The dog is in the box. The shoes are under the bed. The book is on the table. The ball is under the chair. The keys are in the bag. The cat is on the chair. The cat is on the chair. The toy is in the box. The toy is in the box. The laptop is on the desk. The laptop is on the desk. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. The apple is in the bowl. The apple is in the bowl. The book is near the chair. The book is near the chair. The bag is next to the table. The shoes are below the bed.